Hello friends. In my first video, we have seen the overview of the Vision Plus. There we have mentioned that CMS module is the heart of the Vision Plus. Now in this video, we will see the overview of the CMS and how it is structured. Now let's talk about its control records. If you see in the CMS, there are three primary control records and 22 secondary control records. Let's first talk about the primary control records. So what are the primary control records? The highest control record in the CMS is the system. After that, org and logo. Now we'll see, each one by one. Here in this C, we have three primary control records, system, org and logo. If we see under system, be it org is defined, and under each org, we have logo is defined. Now, in the if you talk about the file for each record, system, org, and logo is the AMCR. The key for the file AMCR is the AMCR, org, logo, and record number. If you suppose we browse the file through FileNet, if we go and enter criteria, so it will ask for the record number, like which record number you want. If we select the record number 0, it means we are browsing the system control records. If we have selected the record number 1, it means organization control records. After that, record number 2 stands for the logo base, record number 3 for logo description, and record number 4 is the logo class control records. Now, as I said, the system record is the highest processing level in the system. So now we will see, what are the records it have. Now in the system, it defines system processing calendar, system ACH processing, valid billing cycle date, interface. So let's see some of those records in details here. So online screen for the system level record is the ARMS. Here we can see what are the system name, what are the holiday, work week, and date format. Here date format 0 stands for the MMDDYYYY format, that is the US system. Here if date format is 1 means we follow DDMMYY. So what are the holidays that we defined here in this system. After that, another important parameter is the date accrue through and next processing date. We always verify this date after the batch. Suppose here today date is the 12/18/2005 and we want to bump the system from 12/18 to 20 like 18 12 or 20 2005. So to bump the date there is a control record. So mostly batch run team or development team they know about control record how to give input so that uh, batch can bump to that date. Now in the next screen ARMS02, we have defined the valid cycle codes. Look, I will explain how it works. Suppose here we have seen that valids are 01, 02, 03 till 31. Suppose the system want on the 5th, 10 and 15, this should not be valid billing cycle dates. So what the system will do here on the 05 we will add 60. So 60 plus 05 65. So here instead of 05 we will put 65 and 10 means we'll add here 60. So 60 plus 10 70. Again here on the 15 plus 60 75. If it is like 65 70 75 values are there, it means this system don't have the valid cycle date on these dates. So after that, what are the system module active for this system? We can see here. Suppose letters is active means here it is Y. ACS is not active, so here it is N. Suppose ASM it is active here means Y. Suppose we don't want ASM to be active for our system, so here we'll set no. Now after system, the second highest processing level in CMS is the org. For a system, up to 998 org we can define. Now we'll see what are the important parameter at the org level. Here org processing calendar, org ACH processing, usury table activation, file maintenance options, online statements, name keys, general ledger reporting, org billing cycle, number generation, relationships. Okay, we can see all those in the org level screens. Okay, we'll see some of those in the details. So this is org level. So we can see in that way. Suppose India is a system. Under India, we have several states. So for each state, so one org level system is defined here. So it might happen that the one state have different holiday from other states. So for that particular state, here org is defined here. So it might okay for that particular states. Okay, how the date accrue through date processing is defined here. Now here the billing method. So if we talk about billing method, so there are two kind of billing method, C and D. So normally most of the system D is for demand cycle and C for the call cycle. Okay, we'll see all those in the details in the later video when we define the okay org parameter in the details. Now after org and the third highest level is the logo. For a given org, we can define up to 998 logo. So what are the important parameter in the logo? That is type of account product reporting, block code definition, transaction posting control records, card activation, authorization parameter, payment application method, region for collection, charge of processing. If you talk about the ARML logo record, it is very vast. Okay, some of the parameter we will describe here. The most important parameter in the is the ARML, that is block code matrix we say. Here we can see there are 26 block code A to Z. Okay, for the different functionality, what will be its value? Okay, what are its description? We can see here. Like A stand for temporary cancellation, B for bankruptcy, C for settlement. Okay, it may vary from say, one system to another system. This is another after in the in page 7 we have seen from A to M. After the next page, it is N to Z. We can see, okay, its a description and its value. Okay, we'll see all those in the detail in the logo level video. Now, this is this is transaction control records. Okay, I will explain how it works. Suppose today's date is the 18th May, and a customer have posted have submitted a check for the 30th. Okay, on 30th May, this check will be processing. So whether that transaction should be posted or rejected or warehoused, okay, those parameters are defined here. Now here this is the payment hierarchy. Suppose a customer have made the payment, then how it will be distributed. Okay, what are the different component? What are its priority? Okay, it will be defined here. So as I said, logo is the very vast parameter, very vast set of parameter. Okay, we'll share video on those logo control records as well. So now, okay, in the last PPT of this, in last page of this PPT, we will see system record contain the processing calendar SS information interfaces. This is org record. It contains processing calendar SS information, report parameter, billing date, assignment, and alpha name key, as well as the logo record. We can say account type, visa, MC parameter, block code definitions, frequent shopper, etc.